Imagine applying a beautifully scented and nourishing body cream that makes you invisible to biting insects. Welcome to the magical world of Vanilla Mozi. Everybody has experienced the annoyance of mosquitoes. It is time to stop trying to kill or force them away with repellents, but instead blend in with their environment. This can be achieved by applying Vanilla Mozi body cream to all exposed skin. The magical blend of natural ingredients act to change your scent, so the mosquitoes don't even know that you're there. Vanilla Mozi has been relied on by many Australian families for over 15 years. The gentleness and effectiveness was designed specifically for parents of young children who are focused on natural alternatives to harsh chemicals. This innovative product is not a repellent. It is a cosmetic that alters your scent and hides you from biting insects. Perfect for anyone wanting to enjoy the outdoors naturally. It is time to reshape our perception of insect protection products. You now have a choice: insect repellents or Vanilla Mozi. Vanilla Mozi. Blend with nature.